Ona thutha wa thiku 60 iria ciaiguithanirio gatagati-ini ka ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI na kiama kia Arigitani gia KMPDU, riu arigitani a gikiro kia intern monanitie marakara kuona ministry NIIGARURITE MURUGAMO wao wigie gutuma arigitani aya mathibitari-ini ma muingi toria maiguithanirie ngirimiti-ini ya mwaka wa 2017. Kuringana na mwandiki munene kiama-ini kia arigitani ndagitari THUTHA, micemanio iria ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere gatagati-ini kao na ministry kuma kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giki maraiguithanirie arigitani matanyihiire 600 ni megutumwo thibitari-ini ngurani. Ona gutuika murugamo uyu ministry ni cokire kukanja miaraho ya umuthi.
Tutingitigithiria haha twetereire muno na no tuthire na mbere na mugomo as interns nginya riria tugatumwo.
And this is genuine frustration. We've stayed out for a whole year, so you want to make a decision because people have decided to picket for one day, one single day, unsponsored by the way.
Kuringana na Davji, ona thengia wa gukorwo makirwirira ihoto cia arigitani aya kwa ihinda iraya, ministry yugite mihang'o ino ni ikoretwo ikiingiria UTETI.
They are holding our careers for granted and they are holding our future for granted. And you can't have the president stand and say that this will be sorted, and someone feels threatened and decide that no, we're throwing all this under the bus.
I must say I'm equally disappointed, frustrated and disillusioned. And the same applies to the Ministry of Health, that they are also frustrated.
Ni ndeto yoereirwo na marakara ni arigitani aya, amwao makioneka kuremwo ni kuhitha kieha kiao na kwambiriria kurira guku magikinyiriria kwaga kunoga na guthie na mbere na mirurungano eno.
That is deceitful, because the meeting was supposed to be much earlier, and we have had meetings with them at odd hours at different times all across this past week.
Maugite matirakua ngoro kinyagia ministry ite uiguano ucio amu gutire mihang'o ya urigitani mangihota gutwarithia na mbere matari na marua makuonania ni matirihite mathomo na makehokerwo urigiti kuhitukira marua macio.
We have nothing to lose. We have no jobs to report to. There is nowhere we are going. So it's as easy as us staying here. We can actually be reporting here daily.
Maugite matirakua ngoro nginyagia ministry itiye uiguano ucio amu gutire mihang'o ya urigiti mangihota gutwarithia na mbere matari na marua makuonania ni matirihite mathomo na oho makehokerwo wira wa urigiti kuhitukira marua macio. Ndugamano gatagati-ini ka arigitani a interns na ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI ironeka guthie na mbere na kwihanda amu arigitani aya mehitite kwamba hema haha utuku na muthenya kinya riria ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI iritikira kuhingia uiguano ria maiguaniire. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.